With technology, it moves so fast, but if you're using it correctly, you are going to benefit in the end by more efficiency and a better bottom line. The business computing world is really dominated by Microsoft products. We really find that Microsoft has released a great set of tools to allow businesses to become very efficient. They're very good at releasing products that fulfill the needs that a lot of business owners have. For example, the Microsoft Office is pretty much a standard across the business world, and that's for a very good reason, because it's a very good and powerful suite of tools that business owners can use. Windows XP was really considered the first of the really good Microsoft operating systems, very stable with a lot of tools. And it's dominated the business world for 12 years now. Microsoft has finally pulled the plug on it, and they're not offering any more support or patches or security fixes, which is problematic for a lot of businesses. Businesses shouldn't panic because Windows 7 is a great operating system. If you're still running XP, it's time to upgrade to Windows 7. You really need to. And you shouldn't look at that as a bad thing. You should be looking at that as you're moving forward. And it's a tough thing for a lot of businesses, but you got to keep up with it, and you got to keep moving. You got to keep upgrading to the new stuff, and you have to embrace the new technologies. Because if you're using it correctly, you are going to benefit in the end by more efficiency and a better bottom line.